How to identify landmarks with Google Lens. In today's guide, I'll be showing you how you can identify the landmarks by using the Google Lens on your device. So let's dive right in. First, open the Google app. Now once you open it, tap on this Google Lens right here. Now just place the camera like this to any landmark you wanna search for and tap on search right here. That's it. This is how easy it is to detect the landmark. Just repeat the same process for every other landmark you want to detect. Just open it and place your camera like this and tap and search. And that's it. Hope this helped. If it did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.